Introducing the Tohnichi LC1000N3-G Torque Tester, a cutting-edge solution for verifying the accuracy and performance of your torque wrenches. Designed and manufactured by Tohnichi, this advanced torque tester combines precision engineering with user-friendly features to streamline your quality control processes. Covering a broad torque range from 500 to 8,800 lbf/in, the LC1000N3-G Torque Tester caters to various applications, ensuring versatility in your testing requirements. Equipped with an enhanced quick check function, this torque tester enables rapid and efficient testing of your torque wrenches, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The tester features a color LCD display that provides clear and intuitive pass/fail judgments, allowing for easy result interpretation and immediate action. Built-in statistical processing functions automatically calculate minimum, maximum, and mean values, providing valuable insights into your torque wrench performance. With the LC1000N3-G Torque Tester, you can read the actual running torque, helping you identify and rectify any deviations in real time. This advanced torque tester is powered by AC 100V, 240V, 50/60 Hz, and has dimensions of 735x1000x10,000 mm. It features a 1-square drive for easy attachment to your torque wrenches. Elevate your torque wrench maintenance and calibration processes with the Tohnichi LC1000N3-G Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, quick check function, and intuitive pass/fail judgment display ensure accurate and efficient testing. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience peace of mind knowing that your torque wrenches are performing optimally.